So children, we are going to do page number 104 today. So let's start children. Today we are going to do antonyms. Antonyms with UN and DIS dis. Okay, what is antonyms? Antonyms is a word with a meaning completely different from the meaning of another word. For example, wet, dry, black, white, up, down, slow, fast, etc. Okay? So, here we are going to write UN or DIS in front of the word to make the antonym for the given word. Okay? Let's see. For example, this sentence, they loaded the cart at the farm and unloaded it at the market. So can you see the word? Here it is loaded and here it is unloaded. What we have done? We have added un to the word to make the opposite or antonyms for this word. That is, the meaning of this word is completely different. That is the reverse. Okay? The word with a different meaning. Or the reverse of it. That is loaded. Here it is loaded and here it is unloaded. So first they loaded the cart and then later on they unloaded the cart. So this become antonyms of each other. Okay? One more we will see. The musician. We are going to use un or dis in front of the word to make the antonyms for the given word. Let's see the first one. What is the first one? Tie, tie. So we are going to write here. First what we are going to write? Un. We will use un for the word tie to make the antonym for it. Untie, tie. That is untie. Untie, tie, untie. So it becomes the antonyms for the word tie. Tie, untie. Okay, let's see the second word. Like, like. For this word, we will use dis, 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 like, dislike, like, dislike. We are using here dis to make the antonym for the word like. Then like becomes dislike. Like, dislike. First we have used un, that is tie, untie. In the second word we are using dis to make the antonym like, dislike. Okay? Let's see the third one. Fold, fold. Now again here we are going to use un for the word fold to make the past tense, to make the antonyms for the word. That is fold, unfold. Fold, fold, unfold. So that becomes the antonyms for fold. Fold, unfold. I repeat, tie, untie, like, dislike, fold, unfold, and our next word is agree. Here we will use dis, agree, 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 disagree, agree, disagree. I repeat, children. Antonym is a word with a meaning completely different from the meaning of another word. For example, tie, untie, like, dislike, fold, unfold, agree, disagree. Okay. And the fifth one, L-O-C-K, lock. Now for lock we will use U-N-N to make the antonym for the word. L-O-C-K, lock. Lock, unlock. Now children, you have to remember where to use U-N-N and where to use D-I-S, this, to make the antonym for the word. I repeat, children. Tie, untie, U-N-N-T-I-E, tie, untie. Like, dislike, D-I-S, dis, L-I-K-E, like, dislike. Fold, unfold, U-N-N-F-O-L-D, fold, unfold. Agree, disagree, D-I-S, dis, A-G-R-E-E, disagree. Lock, unlock, U-N-N-L-O-C-K, lock, unlock. Let's see the next question, children. Complete these sentences with the opposite of the word in color. The opposites begin with UN or DIS, dis. Now here some sentences are given and blank is also given. We have to write the opposite for the word given in color. Okay, let's see the first one. The gift was wrapped well. Roy dash carefully without tearing the paper. So we have to write the antonym for wrap. And how we are going to make the antonym for it? Using UN or DIS, dis. So we will use UN here. UN, W-R-A-P-P-E-D, wrapped, unwrapped. The gift was wrapped well. Roy unwrapped carefully without tearing the paper. So this, by adding UN, we made the antonym for wrapped, wrapped, unwrapped. Okay, let's go for the next one. Number 2. Ria said, you must obey the rules. You will be punished if you dash them. So we have to write the opposite for the word obey. And to make the opposite of obey, we will add DIS, dis, in front of the word obey to make the opposite. DIS, dis, O-B-E-Y, obey, disobey, obey, disobey. So that makes the opposite of the word. Ria said, you must obey the rules. You will be punished if you disobey them. Okay, I repeat, obey, disobey. In the first one we have used UN, that is wrapped, unwrapped. Here we are using DIS, dis, to make the antonym for the word obey, disobey. Third one, I slowly zipped the bag shut. I dashed quickly to open it. We have to write the opposite or antonym for the word zipped. And to make the antonym, here we are going to use UN. I slowly zipped, unzipped. UN, said I. double P E D, zipped, unzipped. I slowly zipped the bag shut. I unzipped quickly to open it. Okay? You have to remember, children, where we have to use UN and where we are going to use DIS, this. I repeat the sentences. The gift was wrapped well. Roy unwrapped carefully without tearing the paper. Ria said, "You must obey the rules or you will be punished if you disobey them." And the third one is, I slowly zipped the bag shut. I unzipped it quickly to open it. So here the opposites are wrapped, unwrapped, obey, disobey, zipped, unzipped. Now children, don't get confused. Opposites and antonyms are the same. Okay? And a person or thing which is totally different from or the reverse of someone or something is the opposite or antonym for it. For example, wrapped, unwrapped, obey, disobey, zipped, unzipped.